Okay, we ended up last night in Gang Mills, New York. We're about 144 miles from Niagara Falls. That's where we're heading to today. It is hot and muggy. We're probably going to hit some rain. I hope not, but that's kind of what the prediction is. So the bikes are loaded. Go check us out, and we're going to get on the road and see what Niagara Falls is. We're going to try and walk across over to the Canada side, not taking the bikes. Less hassle, but we'll see if that's still feasible since things have all changed since COVID and all the craziness. But I hope you've enjoyed our adventure so far. We still got quite a ways to get back home because we're heading back that way towards Kansas. But today is, like I said, Niagara Falls. We're in New York. Let's get going. We made it to Niagara Falls. They were nice enough to shove all of our bikes into one spot, so we got in here, but parking around here is an adventure. So we're going to check out the park, walk over to Canada. I'm sure we're going to get wet because about 2 o'clock it's supposed to start really raining. So let's go check out the falls. They're yapping, blah, blah, blah. We should be wet.
Around here. We walk from parking area 1, coming up. There's the little circle thing.
Circle thing?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a technical term, circle thing.
Yeah.
Aaron wanted proof that he was in Niagara Falls. So Sherry says, because he says, I'm going to take a picture. I want proof that I was here. Sherry says, no, that's only proof your phone was here. Not you. She got you that one.
She did.
Well, we made it to Niagara Falls. We're on the American side. I think we're gonna try and walk across to Canada, but we'll see. So here it is. They're still mapping out where they're gonna walk. Anyway, great trip. We'll wait till the rain. Wait till the rain hits. This is why you ride your bike cross country, so you can see America. You can see the things that not everybody gets to go in and enjoy. Oh, and there's Canada on the other side.